Okay, we're going to show you how to put the pad on the seat. And the pad is a support pad for the saddlebags, and it's a support pad for the duffel bag. So here we go. We'll start by taking the seat off. We're going to go ahead and lay the pad on the seat approximately where it's going to go. And we'll turn the seat upside down. And I can tell by looking at here and here, it's pretty much centered, and the label is right here. So we look pretty centered. Tighten it down. Seat back on. And there you go. We have the pad ready to go for the saddlebag installation and or the duffel bag installation. In this video, we're going to show you how to put the duffel bag attachments on the seat. Please understand that every motorcycle is different. This is just kind of a reference. We're going to take the seat off, set it up like this. We already showed you how to install the pad, so that's a done deal. What you want to do is take your webbing, and we're going to run a zip tie through it to string the webbing. Run that through there. We have our quick release buckle, our elastic keeper. Just lay that down there. Pull our zip tie out. And we'll just lay that down there for now. Take our other strap. Now I want to make note that some webbings come with this folded over and zip sewn together, which is really, really good. But if you have to go through a tight area with a zip tie, you may want to cut that off and just burn it with a match, is what we've done. Oh, we've got the zip tie on here. String this through here. Take our little elastic keeper. Our buckle. And we'll just lay that back like that. We'll remove our zip tie. Install our little elastic keeper. We're just going to lay that down there just like that for right now. Close up to show you how we have the buckles and the keepers and the webbing all strung through the frame and supports on the side under the seat. So when you get these all assembled, we're just going to go ahead and put the seat back on, and you'll see how they look then. So we've installed the seat now, and you can see the pad and the two back buckles and keepers, and there's the two front buckles and keepers. And just remember, every motorcycle is a little bit different. Center the duffel bag on the seat on the hook and loop pad. And then you have your buckles and keepers and webbing all ready to click on. Click the two front ones, snug them down, put the keepers on, and you're ready to go in the front. Snug down the buckles in the back, put the keepers on, you're all ready to go. Make sure there's no slack in the buckles or the webbing. Now we're going to go ahead and reinstall the saddlebags. And you can install these empty or full, doesn't matter. I'm going to try to get them centered as I can. So we have hook, loop, loop on the other saddlebag, and then hook on top, and that's what the duffel bag is going to go on. So here's that one. Get them nice and straight and even. Now we'll go ahead and tie down the front strap here. We have here. Tighten it down, close the cam buckle, install our little webbing keeper, and that side's done. So we'll wander over to the other side. We're going to do the same thing with this side. It's going to go through this little area here. Snug it down, close the keeper, our little elastic keeper buddy. That's all set. Wander back around here. We have these extra support straps that actually lift the bags, keep them from sagging. Pretty cool. So they're going to go through both of these keepers and then back through one. Go through both of the keepers. Back through one. Pull these up as best we can like this and in. Keeper goes in there. Keeper goes in there. So now we have the two front straps, top straps, the support straps, all done. Then the back here, we're going to take this one, put it around. Like so. Snug it down as tight as you can. Probably see the bag come in a little bit. Put the keeper on. Now, we got the duffel bag to go on. Everything's all nice and neat and installed. And this has got the loop on the bottom. It's not to hold the bag on all the time. It's just kind of a security movement type setup. We have the hook here. Notice I just flipped it around. I'll show you why I did that. Now we're going to go ahead, just place this bag on the seat. Now the reason I flipped it around is I roll this up and close it this way. I want the wind to go over it this way. I don't want the wind going in it that way. Click that guy on, leave him alone. Click that guy on, leave him alone. Click that guy on. Spin that webbing around. Click that guy on. Tighten it down. Now we're going to come back here and pull it back. Snug it down. Our little friendly webbing keeper. And there you go. Now you've got a BMW G310R touring bike ready to go.